Social media is nearly saturated with footage like this. Our roadways are insane, and we're capturing the intensity far more often thanks to the rise of the dash cam. But capturing that kind of craziness isn't the only reason so many people are getting their own. Modern dash cams don't just record your drive, but can document the truth about an accident and even protect your car when it's parked. Or maybe you're like me and you're just a year away from handing the keys to your child and want to make sure that their friends are just as well behaved in the car as your angel will certainly be behind the wheel. So today I'm going to install this, the Vantrue Nexus 4S, which promises not only to record my drive in 2.7K up front and 1440p both out back and inside the car, but also protect my car when it's parked, log the location of every event, activate by app or voice, and even use new tech called Plate Pix that captures license plate numbers. Let's get to it. All right, first, let's see what we have inside. This is the box the N4S comes in, and we have a couple of optional accessories. This is the Vantrue Circular Polarizer, which will help reduce glare on windows, making it easier to identify drivers if necessary. And this is the Vantrue 128GB micro SDXC card, which will store our footage and keep it safe. Let's get into the box. Inside the box, we find some extra adhesives, some heat shrinking tubing, the rear camera that's not only high resolution but waterproof too, so we can mount it to the outside of our car for better clarity. Next, we have the N4S Dash Cam itself. We get a handy little screwdriver, the 11.5-foot car charger cable to power it, a base for the adhesive mount along with a spare, the GPS mount which holds the camera and contains the GPS sensor, the 20-foot rear camera cable, mounting clips to help run your wires, a plastic crowbar that made it super easy to run our wires without taking the whole car apart, and a sticker to let the criminals know what's up. Everything we need to get this installed. I mounted it to the front center of our window, ran the rear camera to the back license plate, connected with my phone, and we were on our way. Okay, with the N4S installed, let's take a look at what makes this dash cam stand out. The biggest feature is the 3-channel recording system. You've got a 2.7K front camera, a 2.5K cabin camera, and a 2.5K rear camera, all recording simultaneously. That's complete coverage of everything happening around your vehicle. The front camera has a 158-degree field of view, while both the cabin and rear cameras offer 160-degree views. That wide-angle coverage means you're not missing anything in your blind spots. Whether it's a car cutting you off from the side, someone walking past your vehicle, or an incident happening inside your car, all 3 cameras are capturing it. And here's what's really impressive. All 3 cameras use Sony's Starvis 2 IMX675 sensors. These aren't cheap sensors that you'll find in budget dash cams. Starvis 2 is Sony's latest low-light imaging technology, which means even in challenging lighting conditions, early morning, dusk, or nighttime driving, you're getting clear, detailed footage from all 3 cameras. One feature that really caught our attention is something Vantrue calls Plate Pix technology. This is specifically designed to capture license plates clearly, which is obviously crucial if you're involved in a hit and run or need to identify another vehicle. So here's how it works. Plate Pix mode refocuses the front camera to capture sharper details specifically for license plate recognition. You can manually activate this mode when you need it, or you can schedule it to turn on automatically during specific times. For example, you could set it to activate at night when plate visibility is typically worse, or during your daily commute when you're in heavy traffic. The really smart part is that this mode enhances the image processing specifically for those small details that matter: letters, numbers, and plate shapes, without compromising your overall front camera recording quality. All right, let's talk about light performance, because that's where a lot of dash cams fall apart. The N4S uses triple HDR technology across all 3 cameras. HDR, or high dynamic range, balances light and shadow in high contrast situations. Think about driving into a tunnel on a bright day, or coming out of a dark parking garage into direct sunlight. Those extreme lighting challenges usually wash out footage or make it too dark to see details. HDR fixes that by capturing multiple exposures and combining them for balanced footage. The cabin camera also has 4 infrared LED lights built in. These activate automatically in low light or complete darkness to illuminate the interior of your vehicle. This is especially important for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants to document what's happening inside their car at night. The IR lights are invisible to the human eye, so they won't distract you while you're driving, but they ensure the cabin camera captures clear footage even in total darkness. Now, modern dash cams are all about connectivity, and the N4S has some impressive options here. First, it features 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which is faster and more stable than the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi you find on older dash cams. This connects to the free Vantrue app on your phone, letting you download footage, adjust settings, and review recordings without ever taking the SD card out of the camera. The N4S is also compatible with Vantrue's optional LTE module, which is sold separately. With LTE connectivity, you can remotely monitor your car from anywhere, receive real-time alerts if something happens, and access your dash cam footage over the cellular connection. This is huge for anyone who wants that extra layer of security when their car is parked or if you're managing a fleet of vehicles. Then there's smart voice control, which works in multiple languages including English, Japanese, Russian, Chinese, and French. You can use commands like take photo or turn on Wi-Fi without taking your hands off the wheel. This keeps you focused on driving while still giving you full control over the camera. It's one of those features that sounds like a gimmick until you actually use it and realize how convenient it is. Now, the N4S also offers 24/7 parking mode monitoring, which is essential if you want protection when your car is parked. This feature requires a hardware kit which is sold separately, but once installed, it keeps your dash cam powered and recording even when your engine's off. In parking mode, the camera uses motion detection with a 10-second pre-recording buffer. That means if someone walks up to your car, bumps it, or tries to break in, the camera will capture 10 seconds of footage before the motion was detected, plus everything that happens after. That pre-recorded buffer is crucial because it captures the approach, not just the incident itself. The N4S also has a built-in dual system GPS logger that tracks your route, speed, and location data throughout your drive. You can view this information through the Vantrue app or their desktop player software, which overlays your GPS data onto your video footage. This is incredibly useful for documenting trips, tracking mileage for business purposes, or providing location evidence if you're involved in an accident. The GPS data includes detailed mileage statistics that you can export and use for expense reports or insurance claims. Now, storage is always a concern with dash cams because you're recording high-resolution video continuously. The N4S supports micro SD cards up to 1 TB, which is massive. With that much storage, you can record for days or even weeks before the oldest footage gets overwritten. The camera uses loop recording, which means it automatically overwrites the oldest files when the card's full, so you never have to worry about manually managing your storage. Critical footage is protected with emergency lock. If the built-in G sensor detects a collision or sudden impact, it automatically locks that video file so it can't be overwritten. You can also manually lock important files through the app. The N4S also uses a supercapacitor instead of a traditional lithium battery. Supercapacitors are more reliable in extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, and they have a much longer lifespan than batteries do. Now, this is important because dash cams sit in your car exposed to temperature extremes that would kill a regular battery over time. The rear camera is also IP67 water resistant, so you can mount it on the outside of the vehicle like we did if you want true rear view coverage without worrying about weather damage. After using the Vantrue N4S, we're genuinely impressed with the quality and feature set that Vantrue has packed into this little dash cam. The 3-channel recording with Sony Starvis 2 sensors, the plate picks license plate recognition, 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, optional LTE support, and that 24/7 parking mode make this a serious contender for anyone looking for comprehensive vehicle protection. Whether you're a rideshare driver who needs interior cabin coverage, a daily commuter who wants front and rear protection, or someone who just wants peace of mind knowing everything is being recorded, the N4S delivers. The installation was straightforward, the app's intuitive, and the video quality, especially at night, is excellent. Now, you can find the Vantrue N4S at vantrue.com, and we'll put a link in the description below. If you have any questions about the installation or features, drop them in the comments and we'll do our best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join Sarah and I this and every Friday for The Tool Show. We'll see you then.